YouTube, what's pop? You know that grind ain't stopping. Shout out to my notification gang. Don't forget to give that bell a ring, man. Hey, man, today we're gonna be installing this throttle body, 70mm. Got it brand new from American Muscle. Shout out to y'all. And it's SR Performance. So yeah, we're gonna turn around and get to it. Don't forget to hit the like button, matter of fact, while we already here. Yeah, all right, so here it is. I already took it out the box. Here it go. It's gonna be a nice little aluminum polish. Thing nice. I installed one of these on my 4.6 liter 2002 Mustang GT. But yeah, it was pretty easy, man. Just take off these 4 bolts, take off this vacuum line, take off the cold air intake, and it's only like 4 bolts, and then you gotta take off the other sensor. But yeah, I like how this come with the it tell you what to take off. Tell you what to take off, tell you what you need, tell you what tools needed, what it come with. Come with brand new gaskets. All the gaskets and everything. So yeah, man. Told y'all I was gonna pick this up. We're gonna get it installed, take it on a test drive. I don't know if I'm gonna record while I'm driving, cause my car is not the best at you know, being stable. So it's gonna be real super shaky on this thing. So pretty much what I'm trying to do under this hood, I'm trying to get this thing looking pretty much brand new. Gonna get this new valve covers eventually, new intake plant on, new EGR, cause that thing dirty. And we're gonna get this thing beautified, you know. I already got the new plugs and wires, new distributor cap, new coil pack, new compressor. There we go. I painted everything that was looking rusty. I painted this, Need a new battery, got a new radiator cap. Yeah, man, it's coming together good. I put this little Spectra hose on there. Just make the air come in a lot cooler, cause at first it was like, if I touch it to the touch, it would like burn your hands. So I was like, I know that's not getting cold air. But yeah, I think this throttle body gonna help. And since I put this little plastic thing here on there, it's coming. You can get it straight from the outside, so yeah. We'll be back once it's installed. I'll let you know how it came out. Yeah, man, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and we'll be back shortly. All right, y'all, we're back temporarily. All right, if you're installing this thing, don't forget this thing got coolant lines on it. So if you're gonna remove it before, go ahead and place your rag under there, because I forgot to place my rag and it kind of got on my valve covers. So I'm pretty sure when I start this joint up, it's gonna be doing a little smoking. But we good, we got it under there. This thing is dirty, man, but it is from 1987, so hey, it is what it is. But we're gonna go ahead and complete this install. Oh yeah, here go the old throttle body. I got that thing off. Still gotta take these sensors off. It's pretty nasty in there. I mean, that many years on it, what you expect. But the car's still running good, so. I did clean that thing out before I had before I'm replacing it this time, but yeah. We'll go ahead and finish this install, and then I'll come back with a complete project, man. Easy work. And yeah, it's the next day. Got my do-rag on. I'm trying to close this video out, though, so we can, you know, get the day going. All right, man, I got the multimeter here. I've been trying to troubleshoot this thing for a minute. I know I'm gonna get it right, but I ordered a new throttle position sensor and an idle air control valve. So those will be coming in. But right now I can get it started, but it's running real, not so good. So I got me a multimeter. When I knew it won't let me get to the reading I need to get it to, even though I drilled it out. You can see I kind of like drilled out these right here, so I can adjust this even more, even though you can adjust it on the other throttle position adjustment thing they got right here. Yeah, man. We're gonna get it straight. We're gonna get it running. But I wanted to get this thing kind of closed out so I can get y'all some content out there. I'm trying to drop my videos either Sunday or Monday. Mostly might be Sunday and Monday. Drop 2 videos because I work during the week, so on the weekends, that's when I shoot my videos. So That's when I'll be coming to you guys. But yeah, man, don't forget to subscribe, hit that like button, share the video, you know what I'm saying, if you learn anything or if you, you know, like the video. All right, y'all. Holla at you.